Alright guys, so we are currently logged into my husband's YouTube channel. He speaks a lot of Tagalog in a lot of his videos, so I think his would be the perfect one to put some subtitles on. So the first thing you want to do is go to your YouTube studio, and on the left side under the dashboard you want to click on videos to choose the video that you want to put subtitles on. And for this one, we'll just choose the one with the kayak. And on the left side under the video you'll see different options like the details, analytics, editor, comments, and we'll click on subtitles. And on the far right side we'll click on add. And here it also gives you different options, and we'll choose the third option where it says create subtitles or closed caption. And what you can see on this page right here, they have it highlighted on the top that the timing has been auto-generated, and you have the option to delete that and you generate your own, or you can keep it. So these little boxes right here in the bottom, that's the timing of when my husband speaks. So I think his vocal or the audio of his voice, that's what it indicates. And it corresponds to this little box right here on the left side. So you type the subtitle on the boxes on the left side. So if you don't want this, you can remove them. There's a plus and minus sign, and then you can just delete them. So after listening to his voice, whatever he said, we just translate it to English and we type it in there, and then as you can see, it also types down in the bottom, the little box in the bottom. So I like to play it again to listen to it and make sure that I have the correct translation. And again. So I go back again to listen to it to make sure that I translated that correctly. So some of this, so the translations, because it is another language, you cannot translate another language to English word by word, because otherwise it's just not gonna make sense, because we have different placements of the words. So doing this is like what, a 12-minute video. This will actually probably take me an hour or so to complete, just because I don't just do, like I said, a word by word translation. So I actually have to go back every time and listen to what he's saying, so I can do a better translation. So as you can see here, I put kayak and close parentheses, because when he talks, sometimes when my husband talks, he speaks and he stops mid-sentence. So he's gonna say like 2 to 3 words and he's not gonna finish that sentence. But what he does is he starts off the sentence, he'll say 2 to 3 words, and then he'll pause. And then he'll say something completely not related to whatever the first sentence was supposed to be. So it's kind of tough for me when I do subtitles for his videos too, because I don't do the subtitles 100% word by word. I have to translate in English exactly what he's trying to make out. So this is gonna take a while to do this, so we'll go ahead and fast forward this part. And I also apologize, I just realized that this video is not really clear. So I was using Elgato to record this, and for some reason it's distorting the images, maybe because it recognizes that I'm in YouTube, that I'm trying to that I'm trying to record the screen from YouTube, and it probably thinks that I'm trying to pirate something. So the program is distorting some images, and when I click the video, when I play it, it doesn't really capture the play. So just bear with me here, but I'm pretty sure you can still kind of see where I go to as far as the sections of the pages. I mean, it is just a tutorial, so it is a little frustrating to me, but I can't do anything. I can't really do anything about it, or I don't know how to fix it, so please bear with me. And there you go, guys. So I just finished putting subtitles to the entire video, and I also just finished rewatching the whole thing just to make sure that subtitles are correctly timed. Well, it's in the correct time frame. And so the next thing we need to do is right up here where it says publish, click on publish. And that's it. Now it's published in your video. So now when you go, return to YouTube Studio. So say now I go to my YouTube. And I search for JP Noise Catch. And if I decide to watch that video that we just put a caption on, a subtitle, you'll see that they have subtitles when you see those CC, which means closed caption. That means they have subtitles on them. So when I click on that, and make sure that I have this turned on, and there you go. There's your subtitles / closed caption. And that's it, guys. So people who watch the videos will need to make sure that they actually have this turned on, and that's how easy it is to turn it on. Is you just click it. It turns it on or off. So that's it, guys. If you like this tutorial, if this is helpful, please like this video, and if you want to see more videos, please click subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching.